Welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another money, business, and investing talk. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all social media platforms. Master Investor is more than an investment management company. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of this company. And we are providing everyone with the tools and resources that we all need in order to build true wealth. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple. We're looking for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. There are two types of income that exist when it comes to investing. That is passive income and capital gains income. Passive income is taxed at the lowest bracket. In some instances, when we achieve capital gains through a transaction, we can defer taxes by using the tax code and the corporate law to minimize taxes by reinvesting the gains into a bigger asset within a certain amount of days and months that we must adhere by according to the laws and the statute of a 1031 exchange. When it comes to real estate, we can defer taxes by reinvesting the capital into a bigger asset. Okay, so like I said, there are 5 different asset classes that exist. We talk about it all the time here on our talks and on our books and videos as well. We have a YouTube channel. I invite you to go over there and subscribe there too. And stay tuned because we're releasing the new book. It's going to be our 3rd book here at Master Investor. We have 2 right now on Amazon. You can get them on our website as well. You'll have additional bonuses that will come with each book when you get them straight from our website. So you're better off just go straight to our website, link in the description, and get the 2 books, The 10 New Rules of Money, and also How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. It's a total guide on showing you how to build the asset column with real assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. Rule number 1 of our community here at Master Investor is to focus and to work for passive income and make money work hard. Okay, so as a Master Investor, as a partner of ours, right, because we'll have an investor inside of us, so the brand Master Investor, it represents each individual who's partnered up with us because that individual refuses to be an average investor and is a master investor and continuously maintains that status by reinvesting back into financial education and self-development, which includes leadership, people skills, and all of those subtopics that goes under leadership. We need to be evolving every single day and be flexible as technology takes over the entire world and surprises us with new innovations, new technology, AI, and everything that's going to help us become more wealthy if we allow those changes to take place in our lives, and we can embrace them by being flexible and also innovating in our company. So whatever brands we want to build, whatever companies we want to build, we need to ensure that that company has something unique that is offering to the marketplace, to the world, right? Because every business is solving a problem. Every investment is solving a problem of people. And that's why people are paying that money, and that's where the revenue comes from, right? So if we're talking about real estate, then we're solving the problem of providing household, right? And so we're doing multi-family. Are we doing industrial? Or are we doing retail stores? We're doing office buildings, right? So there are different categories that we can go into real estate and figure out what type of problem we're solving with that investment that we're either putting together, we're acquiring it from an existing seller, and I'm going to show you how to create an LOI, a letter of intent, so that you can put yourself in positions where there are great deals and we can literally raise the capital as we're going through the due diligence process. We're going to show you how to analyze investments, how to raise capital, how to bring the team together to manage that investment, and how to continue to reinvest back money into acquiring assets to produce passive income and capital gains income in any type of economies through different asset classes. Okay, there are 5 different asset classes, and in order to hedge for inflation and protect ourselves from down economies, we have to be diversified among the 5 different asset classes that exist, and each asset class requires financial education. That's why here at Master Investor, we're giving you the tools. We are actively investing and we are expanding on our portfolio. However, we are still giving information and the tools that helps us. We're giving it out to the community here at Master Investor so that our partners can help themselves and can build true wealth. It's all about controlling our finances. The more education, financial education we have, then the more possibility we obtain to turn that information into knowledge. And the only way to do that, as I explained before, is to apply into our lives. Okay, that's how we turn any type of information into knowledge. So if we want to turn financial education into financial knowledge, we have to apply that into our lives. So whatever we're learning today through this podcast, we need to apply. Go get the ebooks right now. Get the link in the description. Leave a comment or question if you have one. And as we move forward with deals here at Master Investor, we're going to share those important aspects of each deal so that we can all benefit from this. It's a win-win relationship that we're creating all the way around. And we're going to show you what is the cash flow circle. Which role do you play in the cash flow circle? How to switch from one side to another side inside the cash flow circle, how to master money and how to have money chase us instead of us chasing money, right? We attract success, we attract freedom, we attract money, and we attract the best connections in the world because we are constantly building networks and we are investing in ourselves, okay? When we do that, we become more valuable. Therefore, we can bring value into the table in any type of room with whomever we are at that specific moment. We can always provide something that is innovating, something refreshing, that is missing from the room. And therefore, we get the attention of even people that are, let's say, doing things that we want to do as well or accomplish. We want to be surround ourselves with people that are doing what we are striving to be and do. And so we can increase our financial intelligence by being around them because we are uncomfortable, and therefore we are forced, for lack of a better word, to grow and provide value, because that's the only way we can get in rooms and get people to pay attention to us. So I want you to think, what type of problems do you wish to solve in the marketplace, in the world? Write them down and check out our website, get the ebooks, get the digital courses. If you go to our website, like I said, you'll have additional bonuses, additional assets that will come with each ebook, because we turn each book into a digital course, and we will continuously add more assets into that digital course that has that book. So if you get it today, you get in it for a bargain, because tomorrow is going to be a different price, it's going to be more money, and you will always be grandfathered in. As long as you go and get it today, you will always, no matter how much assets, how much it's going to cost in the future, you will always have access to that course because you obtain the digital book from our website. Okay, so go get it, take advantage of this offer. It's an opportunity to invest in yourself. It's actually an investment to you and your asset column. Okay, it's going to give you the knowledge and the tools, resources, so that you can start building passive income today. You don't need to have a lot of capital or experience or any of that. You can literally start making passive income and put systems together on autopilot to work for you and do the selling and telling for you while you're sleeping, while you're doing your regular job, as you transition from the left side of the cash flow circle to the right side of the cash flow circle, where the money and the wealth is made. Okay, so on the right side of the cash flow circle, on the left side, we'll find the employee and the self-employed. On the right side, we have the business owner who controls systems, and the master investor, the inside investor. Okay, and there we're going to combine raising capital and as much making it work through sound investing. Okay, on the right side of the cash flow circle, that's what we do. We raise capital because we have a business, we're providing something that people want, and they're exchanging their money for the solution that we're providing to them. And as much, we're raising capital on the back end from investors, private lenders, because the banks are in the business of lending money, and the government makes money by printing money because money is created with debt. So debt is tax free, and therefore we encourage everyone in our community to invest using debt, good debt. Invest by raising capital and putting that capital to work, putting that credit to work. So even as small as a credit card personal credit card, you can put that money to work and get an investment, get something that will produce enough cash flow back to pay for that credit card, the interest, and also leave us with positive cash flow. And that will be good debt because it's getting paid back on its own, and it's making us wealthy every time we make a payment to the credit card company or whoever the lender is. We are paying ourselves as well, our company, and therefore ourselves. So if you want to learn the new rules of money, if you want to really take your financial knowledge to the next level, then subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think of this talks that we're doing every single day about business, because the more we talk about money and getting wealthy, the more we're going to achieve that. Okay, we have to be talking about money and wealth in order to create that, and we need to shift our mindset with the core values of a wealthy person, and we need to operate and see and approach money with the wealthy mindset. Okay, and we're giving that to you here through Mastering Investor, and we want you to be part of our mission because you deserve it, because we all deserve total freedom, and at the end of the day, that's what we're gonna get, is total freedom. First is financial freedom, when a person no longer has to work to pay the bills. That person has assets, or one asset that's providing enough cash flow after all expenses are paid to pay for the living expenses. That's financial freedom. And from there, we're going to compound the asset column with more assets that will produce more cash flow, more positive cash flow, and capital gains income. And therefore, we're compounding true wealth. Okay, we're creating more freedom for ourselves. And that's the key, because wealth is measured in time, not necessarily in dollars. It's about how much time can we go without working and still thrive with the lifestyle that we enjoy, that we have, or that we want to achieve. So we're not supposed to shrink. So how long can we go without working and it continue to thrive? How long? Many months? More than 12 months? More than 3 years? 10 years? We have to look at our asset column and see what type of assets we have that will help us produce enough income throughout the years in order for us not to work ever again and be able to still thrive the way we like, okay, with the lifestyle that we have. So wealth for everybody is different. It is all up to your lifestyle and what you want to have in your life, okay? But it's about the freedom. It's about being able to spend time the way we wish. If we want to be on the beach today, if we want to be with friends, if we want to go on a trip with family, if we have control over our time. That's the most important thing, and over our cash flow, okay? And so start taking the control back over your time and cash flow by understanding the new rules of money and investing in yourself through financial education. Here at Master Investor, you will be able to achieve that and much more. So welcome to our community. Again, go get the ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, and the 10 New Rules of Money. Those are must read. And stay tuned for the third book, How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth. Okay, we're going to have many books out, and everything that we're putting in these books is all about building wealth and making the reader and the end user into a master investor, and giving you the tools and more knowledge about how to understand money and investing. With that being said, thank you for listening to another great podcast. Remember, today money is created with debt. That is why we love to use debt, because debt is tax free, and we can literally leverage debt to make us wealthy for free and reach infinite return on investment. That's when we have no money of our own into the deal, but yeah, we still control the deal, we control the debt, and we're still making positive cash flow with that debt. Every time we make a payment to the bank, we're making a payment to our company, therefore ourselves. All right. So the holy grail is infinite return on investment. That's when we're using 100% of finance, and we're using OPM, other people's money, right? Through a personal loan, through credit cards, through a business loan, and we have no money of our own into the deal, but we're still creating passive income. That's money for nothing, basically. Okay. It's getting wealthy for free legally. All right. Anyway, thank you for listening, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in other economies. Stay tuned for the new podcast coming out. I'm going to bring people into our podcast to talk about their experiences, their businesses, and therefore we can create a community of true wealthy entrepreneurs and master investors, right? That's what we want to do here at Master Investors, to literally give you the tools and the power to the people and our partners, so that we can all control wealth together, and we have the mindset to make the decisions ourselves. All right. Thank you. Stay great and wealthy. Talk to you later tomorrow, or later today maybe. Check us out on YouTube and all social media platforms.